Yo, hey, what going on, YouTube? Hey, it's your boy Young KD back at it again. And it's actually my second time shooting this video, bro. I recorded the whole video and I ain't even realized my mic wasn't plugged in into the end until I checked my recordings. Hey man, so y'all boy go ahead and hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, man. This video taking a whole lot longer than what I thought. Hey, but if y'all boy read the title, man, y'all boys already know what time it is. We got that Kid Laroi preset. And yes, y'all boys already know, man, the preset is crazy. Just like everything else I put up. Hey, but let's go ahead and hear the before and after so I don't waste y'all time. Cause if you don't like the preset, hey, I ain't gonna make you watch this video, you feel me? So let's go ahead and hear what it sound like, man, right now. So let's go. If I was down the sticks and rocks again, cause I kinda nutty knots with them. I know I'm just guap for them. I seen money chain these hoes. I see motherfucker chain cause of the shit that I got on. Ever since I got on and since I stopped doing favors, I need to pull me up a card just to feel some. I know, man. If I was down the sticks and rocks again, cause I kinda nutty knots with them. I know I'm just guap for them. I seen money chain these hoes. I see motherfucker chain cause of the shit that I got on. Ever since I got on and since I stopped doing favors, I need to pull me up a card just to feel some. Woo! Hey, y'all boys heard the preset. If y'all boy fuck with that, man, y'all boy rock with the video. And we about to go ahead and get into it and show how we got this sound and every effect that we put on the preset. Alright then, gang. So the first thing we added on the Kid Laroi preset, we got a noise gate. Y'all boys already know what the noise gate do. It takes out that extra background noise out of your recordings when you're not speaking. It also takes out like that extra breath. You know what I'm saying? It'll take out that breath right there. It'll take out extra fan noises when you're not speaking. Basically anything when you're not rapping into the microphone, when it's not picking up audio, it's gonna take that out. So just set it up right to where the point it's not taking out too much of your voice, the release and the attack, stuff like that, and the threshold. Hey man, you should be in the game. Yes sir. After that, y'all know we gotta get those vocals sounding right. So we added a tape simulator. I use a tape simulator like a preamp, man. Like a saturation preamp. It adds some warmness and some drive to the vocals. It makes them sound bigger, warmer, and more full. Hey man, so this is settings I got. Your vocals start to sound like oversaturated. Just come down off of the drive a little bit and you should be straight. Okay, the next thing we got is an EQ. We gotta EQ out some of the bad frequencies that we just added with that saturator. It adds a little extra warmness. So we took out the bad frequencies a little bit like that, you know what I'm saying? Hey, but the EQ gonna sound different for every microphone, like I tell y'all boys all the time, and every voice. Cause everybody got a different voice and everybody is using a different microphone, man. Hey man, but this is the settings I got for my EQ. Y'all boy make sure to get this down, you know what I'm saying? This is a good starting point. But if it's taking out too much bass, bring that 200 range up some, and that 100 maybe. Hey, you back good, bro, just like that. Okay, cool, so the next thing we gotta do is add some compression to the vocals. Okay then, cool. If y'all boy watch the videos, y'all already know what time it is. Now we gotta add some brightness into the vocals. So we pulled up the exciter, the frequency at 7,000, and the mix amount around like 13, I'm pretty sure. But I'm gonna teach y'all the trick to get the perfect brightness out of your vocals with using the exciter. You wanna set the mix amount all the way to -30, all the way to the end. And then you wanna pull it back into the beginning until it starts to sound smooth. So you'll start it all the way here and bring it in until it sounds nice and crispy without sounding too harsh. Once you hear some harshness, dial it back some until it sounds like the good balance between crispy and clean, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I went with on the exciter. Jeez. Okay, after that, y'all boy know the vocals start to sound a little harsh. The S's start to poke through. So we put on a De-esser. Man, that's what a De-esser does. It takes the S's and smooths them out and softens them a little bit. Hey, that's definitely what we needed. So here are the settings I got. Frequency around 5506. Y'all know that's a sweet spot for the De-esser, man. Come on, man. Hey, man, so this is what I got. Y'all boys see that water on my neck? Quit playing. Okay, y'all boys already know it's time to get the vocals sauced up, so we gotta add some reverb and some delay. I went with the studio reverb as always, man. I'm already telling y'all, man, Bandlab, they need to bring us some more reverbs, man. Hey, but I use a studio reverb, a decent amount of reverb, cause that's how the song sounded. Kid Laroi song that I was trying to copy, that Feel Something by Kid Laroi. It had a good bit of reverb on it, man, so I tried to replicate that and copy it. And the reverb made the vocals sit a lot better inside this mix also. It does that inside of almost every mix. Hey, the last thing we added on this vocal chain to process these vocals was the ping pong delay. Not too much delay, just enough just to, you don't really hear it too much, it just fills the vocal out and makes it sound a lot better. Trust me, without it, it wouldn't be what it is. Hey man, I hope y'all boy learned something about the video. I hope y'all boy liked the preset. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, comment and subscribe. Y'all boy make sure to catch me next time. Hit my Instagram, YSLKD__ if you want to mix on Bandlab. You got to be Cash App ready though, or PayPal. That's the only two payment forms I take. Hey man, so I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video. And watch to the end of the video if you want to see me tweak up the preset so you can see how to use it. And I'm gonna play a little bit of the song too, man. So hey, I'm out of here, y'all boys. Y'all boys fuck with me. I need to pull me up a card just to feel some. I feel like I've been through so much, I don't even feel nothing. And I know sometimes it might be hard, but you to love me. And even though I may not show it, I need it from it. I feel like I be back on top, but I feel lost again. You gotta learn to trust yourself, these people not your friend. If I was down the sticks and rocks again, cause I'm kinda nutty knots with them. I know I'm just guap for them. I seen money change these hoes, I seen motherfuckers change cause of the shit that I got on. Ever since I got on and since I stopped doing favors, I need to pump me up a car just to feel some. I feel like I've been through so much, I don't even feel nothing. And I know sometimes it might be hard, but you to love me. And even though I may not show it, I need it from it. I need to pump me up a car just to feel some. I feel like I've been through so much, I don't even feel nothing. And I know sometimes it might be hard, but you to love me. And even though I may not show it, I need it from it. I feel like I be back on top, but I feel lost again. You gotta learn to trust yourself, these people not your friend. If I was down the sticks and rocks again, cause I'm kinda nutty knots with them. I know I'm just guap for them. I need to pump me up a car just to feel some. I feel like I've been through so much, I don't I need to pump me up a car just to feel some. I feel like I've been through so much, I don't even feel nothing. And I know sometimes it might be hard, but you to love me. And even though I may not show it, I need it from it. I feel like I be back on top, but I feel lost again. You gotta learn to trust yourself, these people not your friend. If I was down the sticks and rocks again, cause I'm kinda nutty knots with them. I know I'm just guap for them. I seen money change these hoes, I seen motherfuckers change cause of the shit that I got on. Ever since I got on and since I stopped doing favors, I need to pump me up a car just to feel some. I know man.